So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get Atomesus AI Prime absolutely free. No credit card is required. Atomesus AI is a multilingual AI chatbot that comes with features like advanced coding, multimodal image generation, and document analysis. First, visit the official website at atomesus.com. If you want to use the Pro model, Cipher, for complex tasks, you'll need a Prime subscription. But for our viewers, we've arranged an official promo code that can unlock 1 year of Prime for free. Here's how you can claim this offer. Since I'm new to the platform, I'll create a new account, so you can do the same. If you already have an account, just log in. Existing accounts are also eligible to claim this promotion. I'd suggest using a real email address, otherwise you may lose access to your Prime account in the future. Once you've entered your account information, click on Continue to create your account. Next, you'll need to verify your email address. Check your email for the verification code and enter it to complete the account creation process. As you can see, the professional edition costs $120 for 1 year. Now, to apply the promo code, click on your user profile and then select Apply Referral Code. Enter the referral code just like I'm doing here. Once you're ready, click on Apply and Upgrade. It may take a couple of seconds to verify the code and upgrade your account, so just be patient. And finally, as you can see, we've successfully upgraded to Atomesus Prime absolutely free. Please like and hype to help the video reach more people, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more giveaway videos and free software offers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.